Hi everyone, I bought this Ezviz camera on Amazon for like 20 bucks and I think it's a very good value for the money. What I love about this camera is that the app is super easy to navigate through and the quality of the video is excellent. It's simple to install and best of all, it can record 24/7 on an SD card, up to 256 gigabyte storage for absolutely free. You don't have to sign up for any subscription and it works with Alexa. I removed all the packaging and now I'm ready to install the camera. I bought an SD card also because I don't want to sign up for the cloud storage. And the first thing I'm going to do is slide the SD card in. You want to make sure you push it in all the way until it clicks. The next thing we will do is install the cord. It is not a cordless camera, but I actually like that because I don't have to worry about it draining and dying on me and missing possibly any video that may be important to me. So you just simply plug it in and then we connect it to the wall plug. And now we're ready to plug it into an outlet. Before you plug in the camera, you want to make sure that you download the Ezviz app and create an account. Once you create an account, you are ready to install and plug in your camera. Open the app and hit the plus sign on the top right hand corner. We are adding a camera, so hit cameras. Scan the QR code. You can find that on the quick start guide or the back of the camera. We'll scan it. It will ask you if the device is powered on. You hit next. Start. It's asking if the indicator flashes blue. Mine is. Check. Next. You will have to put in your password for your network. Make sure you are connected to the internet on your phone and hit next. Hit join. And create a name for your device. Save. And now it will install.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected. Platform registration successful. Configuration complete. Welcome to Ezviz.
Now that you connected your camera, save the QR code in case you lose your start guide or if you attach your camera using one of the sticky pads and you no longer have access to your QR code, it's always saved on your phone. You have the option to turn on the audio. I like to have mine on. And hit next. It will ask you to change the password to secure your camera to finish the process. Once you've done that, you can set up your SD card. On the screen you have cloud and you have SD card. Press the SD card and format your card. After you finish your installation on the app, you can attach the camera either by using the metal plate and 2 screws on the wall, or it came with a double-sided tape. And I have used this in the past and I like it because you simply peel it. You stick it to the bottom peel the other side and stick it to any surface you would like. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching.